Right, hello there guys. Hopefully this is helpful to somebody. I've just had a problem with my Renault Trafic 3 van. So 2016 onwards I think it is. Anyway, if you turned the fans to anything, 1, 2, 3, 4, the AC light would come on and work, but you wouldn't get any fans blowing at all. I found a super handy post online about what to do, and I didn't see a video on it. He took some pictures, but I didn't see a video, and I thought it'd be nice. So, you've got a couple options. In here, you might have one of these big 40 amp fuses might be blown. They're just blade fuses. Pull them out, look at them, test them, replace them. The usual stuff with fuses. If you can't replace a fuse, this may not be the DIY tutorial for you. That sounded really mean. Didn't mean it in a mean way. Just, you know, if you're not comfortable with fuses and stuff, get someone else to deal with it. The answer is, so I'm on the passenger side of the vehicle here. The answer is, if you come down here, this, I have fixed it now, but this panel was on there. Pulls off with these clips here, 3 of those, and then there's supposed to be something up there, but mine's broken. The rubber bung is lacking. Underneath here, there is this connector. And let's see if we can focus. There we go. This connector here is the, I think it's the heater blower resistor jobby. If you disconnect this plug here, you push that there, this little jobby in here. It's going to be really hard to do with one hand. But you do that and you pull the wiring up like that. That'll come out. And then this here, there's a clip sort of round the back of it. You can just see, oh, you can't just see. If I can get you in there. There you go. So, oh, it's hard to film. This here is the piece of the actual unit, and that there is a clip that holds it in. If you wiggle that, pull that enough, it'll come out. And then this is the fan up here. Can you see its little wheel? There it is. That's what spins up there. So not this part, but way up in there, the little things going that way. I got in there with my fingers and I just turned it and it was a bit stuck. And I freed it up and that's absolutely fine. No idea why, but the guy in the post had exactly the same problem. Couldn't tell you what it was. But what I've just realised now is if you had a long screwdriver, you could just go in there and poke it up and spin the bloody blower motor around and you wouldn't have any problem that way either, and you wouldn't have to undo any of this. So there's that as well. But there's the, if it still doesn't work, you know, that's the next suspect part here, is this one of these to replace, which I don't have a part number for, but can I focus on it? Someone might be able to grab that if I can focus on it. Who knows? But yeah, hopefully that helps. Thanks. Bye-bye.